Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to resolve an eBay dispute. Firstly, you need to open eBay application on your device and then tap My eBay at the bottom of your screen. And if you are a buyer, you need to tap Purchases, and if you are a seller, you need to click Selling. So let's suppose that I am a buyer and I have some problems, so I need to tap Purchases, and as you can see I don't have any purchases, and I cannot show you properly, but I will tell you anyway, and if you listen, I hope you can accomplish what you need. So when you opened Purchases or Selling, you need to find the item that you're having problem with, and simply tap on the item to open it. So on the item page, when you have opened it, tap the Help with Item button. It's for buyers, so that means Purchases page. Or if you are a seller and you opened Selling section, you will see the button More Actions. So then, if you haven't opened a case yet, you need to choose an issue. For example, it could be item not received, or I don't know, I have some problems with order, whatever problem you have. And then follow the prompts. However, if a case is already opened, you will see Sentence View Request. You need to tap on it to see the status and communicate. Inside the dispute page, you can respond to the other party's messages, or take some action, for example, upload and return tracking, or you can offer a refund if you are a seller, of course. But there can be some situations where you need to ask an eBay to step in. For example, it could be if you and the other person cannot reach a solution, you can scroll down and tap button Ask eBay to step in and help. And then all you need to do is just wait for resolution, and eBay will review your case, and update you through the app. And also regularly check your messages and notifications tab. So that's basically how you can resolve an eBay dispute. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.